What's up, guys? My name's Liam, and welcome back to Roblox. Just Tornadoes 2. As you can see, I'm about to do a hello. So, hello, guys. And yeah, look this low atmosphere thingy, and I hate this. This is trash right here. So, let me join another server and see what happens. So, just look at this. Boom, 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 blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna rejoin until we get a really high or the high. Low high is not that good. So I can do it. I can accept a low high. No bruh, it's not too good. We need a high. We need actually high or really high. Cause really high does like five times more MPH than like high. Oh, alright. Alright. What should I go first? Just kidding. I'm not in a live. So we will choose the strongest interceptor. The Tornado Panther. Not the strongest interceptor in the game. I mean the strongest interceptor that I have right now. Oh, mami, saan na yung 8 bulaga? Bakit tapos na sila? Alright, go, 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 go. Don't mind, this is really unrealistic. It's gonna go here. Hmm. Alright, we gotta move. This is going to be really messy. Alright, let me just check the radar first. Oh, bruh, no, don't shift. Bruh, well, the tornado's right there. Alright, where is the... Oh, we gotta move. Move. part. I want the best intercept possible. Alright, deploy the probes. Oh! Oh! Mm. Alright, no. No, like that thing. Alright. Winfield is reaching here. Alright. Oh! Oh my gosh. So, this is going to be insane. Oh my gosh. Oh! Semantic view. Holy. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh. It's laggy. It's kind of laggy. Oh, we're in the eye. We're in the eye. We're in the eye. What? Uh, what? 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 Where's your 80? Uh, uh, uh. Oh my gosh. What? What? What the hell is this? This is weird. It should been like 2 and plus already. So it's again. I alright. It's then, guys. It's then last. I mean last intercept. Just kidding. Don't mind the fart. Alright. Burn my fart. Alright. We are gonna be like Dan Robinson. Alright. Escape. Oh. Oh no. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, we're lifted. And no. Yeah, we're lifted. Oh, boom. Let me check how many minutes is this. 9 minutes. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Holy Jesus. Help me. Help me. Holy help me. Oh. At this point I'm dead, but this game is unrealistic. Alright. The wheel is glitched. Look at that. The wheel is glitched and absolutely glitched through this. Alright, last last look at thermostat. Alright guys, remember this video. See ya later when I make another video. Bye.